This is the dashboard. On the dashboard you have various sections. The first is news. As an admin you get this button here to add news, but we'll just look through it at the minute. There's only 3 on there. It's in demo mode at the moment. They will list here. There will be up to 10 or 20 on the page, depending on how it's set up. You can click these buttons, newer and older, to scroll through the news. For example, if you want to add some news, we will obviously give it a title. We'll just call this test news, and here's the news content, which you have various options for, similar to Word. So you can style the text. Test news article, we'll put that there. Expiry date, you don't have to put this in, but if you feel that the news would need to expire, so it disappears off the system after a certain date, you would click here, and we can put in, for example, 22nd of December, so the news will disappear after that date. If you need to add any files, any relevant files to the news, simply click on that icon and then choose your file. It will mark it as relevant and hit the upload button, and it will appear below. It will also tell you when it was uploaded, who uploaded the file, which is me, and you are able to share this on Twitter if you feel it is appropriate. And also you can delete the file, so let's just go through that. Are you sure you want to delete this file? Okay, the file has been deleted, so we'll add that again. And what we can do, if you want to actually link that file up here, we can right click, copy the address, write some text, please see here for the relevant file, and we simply highlight that, click on our link icon and paste that in. Okay, so that is now a link. We also want to give it some tags, so if it's relevant to anything, so for example you want to type in Ofsted, hit enter. You can also add various other tags if you want. These will all appear in this tag cloud on all the news sections. And now we select who the news is relevant for. So for this example, it's just general local authority news, and it's for primary and secondary. And what category does it fall in? Information, consultation, action, so we'll leave it as information. Click add. Okay, the news item has been added successfully. It automatically takes you to the item in the news, and here we go. It now appears as a new item here, so you can click that, go through and read that article. And our link here, which we created for the relevant file below, you can click that and the item will download. You can go back in the same way you would add news. Let's say we spotted a mistake or we wanted to add something to this. We can click edit, and you'll get basically the same page as you had before, and you can go through and edit or add any new files to that. What we can also do is obviously delete the news item, so we'd go in, scroll to the bottom here and delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, delete this article. And now you can see that's disappeared. Another quick thing, on the right here you've got recent activity, which will only show relevant to what user is logged on. Popular resources, which tells you the page hits on the sections, and a Twitter feed, which doesn't work on our network, but you would see that normally.